Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was known for his kindness and generosity. He would always help others in need and was loved by everyone in the community. One day, as Ahmed was walking through the marketplace, he noticed an elderly man struggling to carry a heavy bag of groceries. Without hesitation, Ahmed rushed over and offered his assistance. The old man gratefully accepted his help, and together they made their way to the man's home. As they walked, the old man began to talk about the importance of helping others, especially those in need. He explained that in Islam, it is considered a great virtue to extend a helping hand and show compassion to those who require assistance. Ahmed listened attentively to the old man's words, and it inspired him even more to continue his acts of kindness. From that day forward, Ahmed made a promise to himself that he would make helping others a priority in his life. Word of Ahmed's kindness spread throughout the village, and soon people began seeking his help in various situations. He would help his neighbors with their chores, visit the sick, and feed the hungry. Ahmed's selfless acts touched the hearts of many, and he became a role model for the community. One day, a wealthy merchant in the village noticed Ahmed's dedication to helping others. The merchant was impressed by Ahmed's character and decided to reward him for his good deeds. He approached Ahmed and offered him a bag of gold coins as a token of appreciation. Ahmed was taken aback by the merchant's generosity, but politely declined the offer. He explained that his purpose was not to seek material rewards, but to serve Almighty and make a positive impact on the lives of others. Merchant was deeply moved by Ahmed's humility and understanding of the true meaning of charity, and realized that true wealth lies in the goodness of one's heart and the ability to give without expecting anything in return. As the years went by, Ahmed's acts of kindness continued to inspire others in the village. People started to follow in his footsteps, creating a ripple effect of compassion and generosity. The village became a better place, filled with love, unity, and a strong sense of community. The story of Ahmed teaches us the importance of kindness, selflessness, and the true spirit of giving in Islam. It reminds us that our actions have the power to bring positive change and make a difference in the lives of others. By following the principles of Islam and embodying its teachings, we can contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Remember, the best gift we can give is the gift of kindness.